Hi there, this is Ashlyn with WTI. I was looking for an easy way to brighten up my home, and that's when I found this LED floor lamp by Brightech. My favorite thing about this lamp is that it's LED. I get the brightness I want, and I never have to replace a light bulb. This light bulb will last up to 20 years, but the amount of light it gives off doesn't diminish. There's also a very unique feature about this lamp, is that it's dimmable. It's super easy to do. You just hold the button in and it will dim the light 30%. So you can really customize how much light you want into the room. And this lamp is perfect for small spaces. I love that I can fit it anywhere that I need to have more light. It's so simple and sleek, it really fits into any home. So if you're thinking about getting this lamp, I definitely recommend it. And that's my point of view.